Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using Ginger website. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So if you search for Ginger website, you won't find it, but if you write ginger.com, you will see that Ginger is now part of Headspace website. So both companies merged in 2021, and ever since the two brands now known singularly as Headspace. So as you see now, what they actually sell. They give comprehensive mental health care, provides immediate access to guided meditations, sleep support, and focus tools alongside one-on-one support to deliver the right care at the right time for whatever someone is going through. And they address clients' workspace challenges with a mental health care benefit that will both encourage and engage teams. They will drive better outcomes with on-demand, team-based mental health care, delivered through a brand that is known and loved globally. So in this website, you may actually need certification to apply for it, but it actually pays so well, and the payment range is not specific. It's actually maybe too high or maybe in the middle. So if you want to join them and work on their team, you need to go all the way down and then click on Care Providers. After that, you will click on Apply Today, and here you will see the jobs that they offer. They have quality assurance and training. They have therapy services, remote licensed therapist part-time, W2 California and Washington, and US nationwide. From here, you can apply to the jobs and see the jobs that you want. You can click on the job that you like, and then after you see the qualification and the education you need, then you will click on apply, and from here you will enter your name, last name, email address, phone number, and you will enter the other information like your resume and your US state. As you see, they will ask you a lot of questions. After that, you will submit your application. Then if you are accepted, they will respond to you and you will start working. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.